Welcome back, guys. This is Daniel here again at Reinhardt Equipment, located off of 3556 Martha Berry Highway here in Rome, Georgia. Bringing you another awesome used T590 we've got here. This is a 2014 T590, very economical machine. Not as many frills as some other enclosed cab models, but definitely save you some money for other attachments later down the road. 66 horse machine, open cab, standard controls. This machine's ready to go. We'll go ahead and hop in it for you. All right, let's get this thing cranked up. Let's go ahead and test out the bucket here. Bucket arms are very smooth. Tilt function works flawlessly. Let's go ahead and drive it around here. Guys, thanks again for tuning in to the YouTube channel. Please check out our website at www.reinhardtequipment.com. Check out the new listings for the used equipment we've got coming in. Appreciate it. We'll see you next time.